Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing marriage visas and work permits. So, many people that are on the marriage visa are aware of this, but folks that are not or are looking at the marriage visa, this is something to bear in mind. So, for maintaining a standard business visa and work permit here in Thailand, there is an employee to employer, if you will, or foreign to Thai ratio of 1 to 4, 4 to 1. 4 Thai employees for every 1 foreign employee on a standard Thai small company. Now, I understand there's people out there that will say, well, I have a company, we're certified under the BOI, the Board of Investment. We don't have these ratio requirements. Yes, BOI has the ability to grant work permit concessions, thereby essentially circumventing, if you will, the need for these ratios. What we're talking about in this video, though, is an SME, a Thai small company, just sort of a standard small company, what I sometimes refer to as a one-man band. It's basically a company that's being utilized by a foreigner here in Thailand to maintain their business presence, but also as a vehicle for work permits and business visas. Now, a little known or less known fact is that marriage visas, those married to a Thai national who have a visa based on that marriage, can also apply for a work permit, and they can do it through a similar type of corporate setup. The big difference between the marriage visa and the B visa operating as a platform for a work permit is the fact that on an marriage visa, you only need 2 Thai employees for every 1 foreigner, as opposed to 4 Thai employees for every 1 foreigner in the situation involving a standard business visa. So for many folks, they look at an marriage visa as being basically beneficial because it does not require as much expense associated with maintaining employee ratios. Now, that being said, the marriage visa itself can be something of a, I hesitate to say problematic type visa, but as we've discussed in the past, there is a high level of scrutiny associated with the marriage visa because Thai immigration authorities want to make sure that folks are not entering into sham marriages in order to just get an immigration benefit here in Thailand. We did the video some 8 or so years ago talking about that very issue where there was some corruption that arose. People were engaging in these fake sham marriages, and it was having an impact on the marriage visa situation. Notably, the fact that there's heightened scrutiny regarding the underlying marriage when you're dealing with an marriage visa application. That being said, there can be benefits associated with the marriage visa. Again, most notably the fact that the Thai employee ratio to foreigners is 2 to 1 as opposed to 4 to 1 for a standard business visa.